everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's Get Ready With Me, I'm going for a clean girl look, so let's get started. It is so sunny today. Like if I sit closer to the camera, the sun is literally on my face. So I'm moving back a little. For my base today, I am using harrooyy. I'm almost finished with this cushion, so I just want to use it all up. I haven't used this product in so long and I feel like it might be a bit too light for me. Today I wanted to do a clean girl look because I realized I've been doing a lot of glam and bold look, so today I'm going to keep it simple. Clean girl look is actually a lot harder than going glam because you have to be very careful with the amount of product you apply and like the type of product you have to use. So I actually prefer doing like glammed up look rather than a natural clean girl makeup. Let's set everything. I'm gonna try not to completely mattify my face because we want the little bit of dewiness from the cushion to show up. I hope the lighting is okay. I don't have like crazy lights. I only have a ring light and I don't like using the ring light because I don't know, the makeup doesn't turn out natural whenever I use a ring light. So I like to do my makeup in front of my window. And today it is so sunny and so hot. It's usually like not this sunny. It is summertime, so I'm gonna do my eyes now. For my base color, I'm gonna take this and apply it everywhere. I'm probably only gonna be using 2 eyeshadows today. Next, I'm going to take this color and I'm just gonna use it on the outer corners of my eyes and to enhance the edge side, the eye fat. I'm also going to put it in my inner corners as well. I kind of want to brighten this area. I know I said I'm going to use only 2 shadows, but I want to kind of brighten this area. I'm going to take a white and I'm just going to apply it right here. Next, I'm going to line my eyes. I'm gonna take a brown eyeshadow and I'm going to line it as close to my lash line as possible. Like actually, I'm going to line it on my lash line. And I'm just like placing my brush on my lashes and just wiggling it. And then give myself a tiny, tiny wing. I'm taking my tint liner and just drawing the wing. Because if I don't do that, it's gonna rub off. Man, I love this eyeliner so much. The Etude House one. This is such a good eyeliner. I think everyone should have this eyeliner in their makeup collection. Especially if you're a natural girl, like you need that eyeliner. Because it just gives like the perfect natural line. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, but only on the tips. Like I'm not gonna go to my roots. I'm just gonna lightly apply it on the tip of my lashes. I'm gonna contour, but I'm only gonna be using the light color because I don't want any like harsh contour. I just want to show that like I have some structure on my face and that my face isn't flat. but I don't want it to look too harsh. Same thing with my nose, taking a lighter color. For blush, I'm using a cream blush. This is just a very baby pink blush. Putting some on my finger and tapping it right here. And lastly, for my lips, I'm just going to put on a lip balm. Not like a regular lip balm, a tinted lip balm. Alright, so my makeup is done and all I have to do is just pop on my contact lenses. Thank you so much for joining me in this Get Ready With Me. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And comment the most random comments you could think of. Just comment whatever is in your head. I want to see what you guys are thinking, and also it kind of shows that you made it to the end of the video. I don't think a lot of people do that, which is okay. But yeah, just comment something really random and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.